Hi, today in front of me Lenovo TAB M8 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen with a finger and then tap on the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. Just to add it on our home screen we should just hold the widget and drag it. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens or to create new screens with the widget, we should just hold it and drag it by the swipe. Also, if you want to resize it, we should just hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by the swipe. And just to remove it from the home screen, we should hold it and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.